Hello guys, it's your girl Ekwa Bellissima. On today's kitchen, I'm going to show you how to prepare fresh watermelon juice. So let's see our ingredients. We have our 3 lemon, ginger, mint, and then watermelon. This is my fresh mint that I just brought too. So let's start. My watermelon, 2 size, very huge and it's delicious. Look at the inside, very red. This makes it delicious. Going to peel the skin from it and then blend it. It's very good in this weather because it's very hot. I'm going to punch our tastes. Okay, cut it small sizes. Peel the skin from it. Very simple. And this one, I've already pulled half of it. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces and then blend it. You don't need the white one. I'm going to cut it into pieces. Okay. We are cutting it into smaller pieces. I'm not going to use any water because it has a lot of water inside. That is why it is good for us to drink it in this hot weather. It's delicious too. Very delicious. Our dish is going to be really delicious, yeah? Please try it. Your girl. It's really good. Let me cut this one too. I'm going to first blend this one.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really noticed what you want.
Okay.
If you had
I'm putting my fresh mint inside.
Play with me like cats.
Cut another size too.
You don't understand the pain of pain. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you. Ain't it twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I was asleep. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Really?
I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh,
after we are going to strain it, eh? Don't worry about the seed.
I'm
going to strain everything.
Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something
inside. Strain it to the. So I'm pouring it inside my net and then strain it. After, you're going to blend the rest with the lemon and then the ginger. Strain everything.
I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this.
Because I want it very smooth.
So useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me.
Right now I'm squeezing my lemon.
You don't understand the pain of play.
The 3. I'm squeezing all the 3. After I'll cut the ginger into pieces and put it inside the blender. Use it to blend the rest. I'm cutting my ginger into pieces and then blend it. Let me put it inside here. This is my 3 lemon. And cut the rest of my watermelon. Straining the second one too. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, share, and comment. Give your girl a thumbs up. Guys, we have done, but we don't need a foamy here, so I'm going to remove everything. The top, don't need it. I'm going to remove everything. Your cubes for your drink to be very chilled. La la. Hello guys, our fresh watermelon juice is ready. This one is better than the drinks that we usually normal buy at supermarkets. This is very healthy. I urge you to try this one for me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. See you. Very delicious. Really cool your heart in this hot weather. See you.